Is foundation repair worth it? We've been serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex since 1985. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We at Williamson are all about education, and our YouTube channel is designed to help you, the homeowner, understand all about foundation problems, foundation repairs, drainage corrections, all those things, so that if you are faced with them and you have to have that work done, you're going to be an informed consumer. You have a better result from the company you use. We also want to make sure that we educate you to be able to avoid foundation problems. We're going to tell you everything we know and everything we can to try to keep you out of trouble and try to help you out if your house has problems. Hey guys, I'm Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair, and we're here to discuss, is foundation repair worth it? Because we've had that question asked a lot. We see those discussions on social media, and so we want to address that. So is foundation repair worth it? Most of the time the answer is absolutely, because of a couple of things. Number one, your home is most people's biggest asset, your biggest investment. And foundation repair is typically not something that happens and stops and never changes. Typically, once the foundation starts to settle, it will over time continue to worsen and affect larger and larger areas of the house to a greater degree. So if you don't catch it early, it's kind of like getting a cavity in your teeth and ignoring it, and it turns into needing a major root canal and a crown or even an implant. Foundation repair is very much the same way. If you don't catch it early, it's going to get worse, it's going to get more expensive, and it could get to a point that it can't really even be completely corrected. So it is worth it for the investment of your home. Number two, is foundation repair worth it? Well, it is because it affects the livability of your house. Anytime you go to the bathroom and you can't shut the door all the way and have any kind of security or privacy, you might think that maybe foundation repair would be worth it. Third reason that foundation repair is worth it is because if you try to sell your house with foundation problems, most likely the lender is not going to lend money on that house. You're going to have to either fix it then, or you're going to have to sell your home to an investor who can pay cash at pennies on the dollar. So for the resale value of your home, foundation repair is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. I'm Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know down below. Please like and share this video and let us know if you have any questions that you'd like answered. Take care.